2011 Triumph Speedmaster. Alright, let's crank it. Okay, so Emgo Mufflers Cocktail Shakers, they call them. It has a Baffle inside. It's not restrictive at all. It's very loud, so I'm trying to make it a little bit more muffled, preserving the low tone, but cutting off that abrasive ear popping sound. But it actually goes. Voila. There's a hole right here. So I decided to experiment a little bit with stainless steel wool pad. This is a coarse and it's really good grade. So I decided to try this first. I'm gonna shove it in and it's gonna be like something in this position and we'll see how it performs. And then if it's not enough muffling, then I also have this stuff, basically the fiberglass, specifically designed for repacking mufflers. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I tried to put the steel or stainless steel wool inside these things and I cranked it and it was no difference. So next step, get rid of this. I'm gonna actually go for this stuff. So how we're gonna secure it, we're gonna cut 4 V-shape angles on this Baffle on the same level, and then this V shape, once it's cut, I'm gonna push it down and create sort of like a tab after inserting this material right up to this level. So because this is the area that is actually getting the exhaust through. And so these tabs will hopefully secure this material inside this Baffle, because there's no space on to wrap this thing on the outside like it's normally on other exhaust systems. Because as you can see, this narrow part in this cocktail shaker is basically the Baffle sits really tight in it. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so I marked where I'm gonna cut my V-shapes. I just scratched it with a screwdriver, approximately same distance. And this packing material is already there. So once I cut them, bend it inward, hopefully we'll hold it. All right. I think it will work. All right, so the cuts are done. So that's how it looks. You see. And bada bing, bada boom. I think this will hold the stuff, because my main concern would be from all the pressure, this packing material would fly out, but I don't think it will at this point. And the moment of truth. We're gonna see how it sounds now. And all of this success would not be possible without my amazing helper. What's up? Okay, let's try it. Well guys, it's pretty awesome. The sound is so much better. I like it. It's still loud enough, but it definitely doesn't, pierce your ears the way it used to. So I would highly recommend this upgrade, and it took me overall probably 1 hour. So if you have a couple of those tools that you saw in my video, I think it's totally worth it, like totally worth it. And besides that, I just took it for a spin, and I think it actually I gained some mid-range torque for sure. I mean, I felt it. I felt the bike kind of like got some steroids on it or something. I mean, it was really pulling so much better than before because of the back pressure that I created with these custom-made Baffles. And there's a whole science behind it. I'm not gonna go into it, but it truly works. So if you have this kind of bike, or perhaps any other bike, I think it would work as well. If you specifically have these Emgo, shorties, cocktail shakers or similar exhaust. So like it if you like it. If you don't, just go to the next page. All right, I'll see you later.